Home Remedies presents.
Doctors are speechless. We mixed clove oil and Vaseline to treat 7 everyday health issues. A powerful home remedy you can make in 30 seconds. Did you know that by mixing just 2 simple ingredients, clove oil and Vaseline, you can create a remedy that helps with 7 common problems we face in daily life? Clove oil has been used for centuries for its warming, soothing, antibacterial powers. And Vaseline acts like a skin protector, helping the clove oil stay longer on the area where it's needed. Together they make a powerful natural combo you can use safely at home. Let's talk about the 7 issues this mix can help with, how to make it, how to apply it, and precautions you must follow. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. How to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Vaseline, 3 to 5 drops pure clove essential oil. Method: take a clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon Vaseline. Add 3 to 5 drops of clove oil, not more, it's strong. Mix well until it becomes a smooth paste. Store in a small container and keep it at room temperature. Your remedy is ready in less than 30 seconds. 7 health issues this clove oil and Vaseline mix helps with. Toothache relief, external use only. Clove oil has natural soothing properties. Applying this mix on the outside of the cheek, not inside the mouth, may help reduce discomfort around the jaw area due to its warming effect. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount on the outside of the cheek, near the painful tooth. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Muscle and joint discomfort. Clove oil's warming nature helps increase surface blood flow. Combined with Vaseline, it becomes a gentle balm that may help reduce muscle stiffness. How to use. Massage a thin layer on the affected area. Use twice daily. Cold and nasal congestion. When applied around the nose, not inside the nostrils, it can create a warming sensation that helps you breathe better. How to use. Apply a tiny amount on the outer side of the nose and chest during colds. Fungal skin patches, mild cases. Clove oil has natural antifungal properties. This mix can help soothe mild fungal irritation on the skin surface. How to use. Apply a thin layer on clean, dry skin once a day. Avoid open wounds, rashes, or sensitive areas. Cracked heels and dry feet. Vaseline moisturizes deeply while clove oil helps refresh the skin. How to use. Apply generously on heels at night and wear socks. Repeat daily. Mosquito and insect bite soothing. Clove oil's scent naturally keeps insects away and can also calm itching. How to use. Rub a small amount on insect bites 2 to 3 times a day. Dry lips but with caution. Just a tiny amount can hydrate lips because of the Vaseline. But don't overdo it. Clove oil is strong. How to use. Use only 1 drop of this mixture on lips. Rub across and wipe off after 10 minutes. Precautions you must follow. Do not use clove oil directly on skin. Always mix with Vaseline. Not for children, pregnant women, or people with sensitive skin. Patch test on your arm before applying anywhere. Avoid eyes, inside the nose, private areas, or open cuts. If irritation occurs, wash off immediately. So there you go. 1 small jar, 2 simple ingredients, and 7 everyday problems supported by a natural, safe home remedy. Clove oil and Vaseline together are a true hidden gem. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective for daily discomforts. Try this remedy, share it with your loved ones, and let me know in the comments which home remedy you want next. Because healing doesn't always have to come from the pharmacy. Sometimes, it begins in your kitchen.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.